This sound instantly triggers a danger alert in our brains. It's the unmistakable rattle of a rattlesnake. But have you ever wondered how they make that sound? Some people think there are small stones inside the rattle that create the noise, but that's not true. In reality, the rattle is made of hardened segments of the snake's skin, which build up over time as it sheds. When these segments knock together, they produce that chilling sound. The rattlesnake is an exceptional predator. It can swim, has infrared vision to detect warm-blooded prey, and can even adapt its venom over time to target different animals.